In the quaint town of Willowbrook, there lived a man named Robert who was known for his quiet demeanor and unwavering dedication to his family. He worked as a mechanic at the local garage, a job he had held for over 2 decades. To most people, Robert seemed like an ordinary man leading an ordinary life. But to his daughter, Emma, he was a hero. Emma was a bright and ambitious young girl with dreams of becoming a doctor. Her mother had passed away when she was very young, and Robert had raised her single-handedly, balancing work and fatherhood with a quiet strength that Emma deeply admired. Despite the financial challenges they faced, Robert never let Emma feel deprived. He always found ways to make their modest life rich with love and joy. One cold winter evening, as Emma was in her final year of high school, she received an acceptance letter from a prestigious medical school. She was overjoyed, but her excitement was quickly tempered by worry. The tuition was far beyond what Robert could afford, even with the scholarships she had applied for. Emma knew how hard her father worked and didn't want to burden him with the cost of her education. That night, as they sat at the kitchen table, Emma shared the news with her father. Robert listened quietly, his face a mask of conflicting emotions. He was incredibly proud of Emma, but the financial reality loomed large. Seeing the concern in her eyes, Robert reached across the table and took her hand. "Emma, you've worked so hard for this. We'll find a way," he said with a determined smile. "You've always dreamed of becoming a doctor, and I won't let anything stand in your way." From that moment on, Robert took on extra shifts at the garage, often working late into the night. He repaired cars on weekends and even took odd jobs around town to save every penny he could. Despite the long hours and the toll it took on him, he never complained. Emma saw the exhaustion in his eyes, but also the unwavering love and determination that drove him. One day, Emma returned home to find Robert sitting at the table with a stack of papers. He had applied for a loan to cover her tuition. Tears welled up in Emma's eyes as she realized the sacrifices her father was making for her future. She hugged him tightly, whispering her gratitude. "Thank you, Dad. I promise I'll make you proud," she said, her voice choked with emotion. As Emma embarked on her journey through medical school, Robert continued to support her in every way he could. He sent her care packages filled with homemade cookies and handwritten notes of encouragement. He attended every parent event, beaming with pride at her accomplishments.